first, this perfume poster looks expensive, but it actually has some serious design mistakes. Look at the colors, it does not feel premium. The typography is inconsistent, and in general the layout smells. That is why it does not look like a luxury brand. Now watch this video to the end to see how it is easy and simple to fix this. Now go to File and create a new document using this social media dimension. Now go to Adjustments layer and fill a gradient color as follows to create a background. Make sure you choose basic gradient color. To the left, fill this color code. And here fill this one. Angle set it to negative 167.57. Scale should be 152. And finalize with radial style. Then go to File and press Embedded. Adjust the size of the selection. Ctrl+J to duplicate and move down a little bit. Select both layers, right click and convert it to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Blur, then Gaussian Blur. And here let the radius set to 3.7 pixels, then press OK. Change the blending mode to saturation. Go to Shape Tool and create an ellipse as follows. There is no need to be perfect unless your design requires you to do that. Fill the color using this color code. Add a new layer and go to Pen Tool and create a shape as follows. Apply Curvature Pen Tool to fix the shape. Go to Solid Color and fill this color code. Go back to Pen Tool and select the shape path, right click and choose Delete Path. Bring an ellipse above the shape. Select both of them, group and Ctrl+J to duplicate. Then move the copy above, reduce the size and fix as follows. Change the color of the above ellipse using this color code. And select this shape. Create clipping mask to an ellipse below. Add a new layer and clip mask to the same ellipse to create some reflection of light to the shape. And go to Brush Tool, set the brush as follows, and the most important here, make sure the brush opacity is lower percentage, and here I'm using 21%. Follow and repeat the same process to all shapes where necessary. Then apply Gaussian blur. add smoothness. If you finish, go to File and press Embedded. Adjust the size, press Embedded again, and here hold Alt key, drag the flower around here. Select this one, go to Filter, choose Blur, then Motion Blur, and set the motion blur around 49. Also select this one, reduce the size, and produce a number of copies by repeating the same process. Then select the main object and Ctrl+J to duplicate, also Ctrl+T to transform, and move here down to create a reflection. There are multiple ways to create a best reflection, but let us today use the brush tool with little opacity for this process. And let us finalize here with a simple shadow. This time go to text tool and create a text. Heading, I'm using Aurora font with this color. Ctrl+A to select and align to the center following the artboard. And Ctrl+D to deselect. Here I am creating subheading with Montserrat font with the right size. And here avoid using whatever font. Make sure you use a font pair that create a good highlight, or ask me to the comment here below. After you finish, here is the most important part. Hold the Shift plus Control or Command plus Alt plus E, and here you produce a single copy of design from all layers. In case you are not satisfied with the color of your design, you are able to do a color grading and see the magic. Here is before and after. Now it actually looks like a real advertisement. Which one do you prefer, before or after? Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe my channel for more design fixes like this. Thank you and see you next time.